Yo, what's good everyone? Contractor G in the house. Today I want to show you how to make this cabinet door. It's a fairly large one. It consists of 5 pieces, 4 outside pieces of 1x3 and 1 piece of 1/4-inch plywood in the middle. So first, in order to make that, you got to take your 1x3, cut some 45-degree angles on it to the correct dimensions that you came up with. Add a little groove to the center there on your table saw. You end up with that piece. You can see here I got a few of them made. I have a few of these actually together already. Just have it glued and just some screws countersunk in there. Pieces of plywood cut to the dimensions to fit inside that. And we just have to assemble them together. Alright, so now I'm basically just going to take some adhesive, apply it to these inner edges here, just kind of applying globs, almost like nails, and then just going to apply a liberal amount right there. Want to use a square, make sure everything is nice and square. Now that I have it lifted, I'm going to add a clamp here, like so. That ensures that this is nice and flush, stays together. Sides. So there you go, that was pretty simple. Now I basically just have to repeat that process to all of those. So now what you want to do is take some sandpaper, sand off those edges, give them a nice little radius, and then hit them with 220 as a finish. And then they should look nice and crisp, ready for some varnish. Now you want to take a tack cloth and wipe that down, make sure you get all the dust off of there. Now that you have everything clean, go ahead and put some polyurethane on it. You just want to apply a nice thin coat evenly across the whole thing. Make sure as you're applying the polyurethane that you don't leave any thick spots like that there. You want to make sure you smooth everything out. And always brush with the grain, like so. Okay, now that the clear coat is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this Poly-Shade Espresso satin on. You just wanna make sure you throw it on with the grain, and you're gonna have to do it as fast as you can. Now that it's coated evenly, let it dry. Go ahead and throw another coat on them after that. Touch up little areas that are a little lighter than others. Finish those. So I'll show you what it looks like once I put the second coat on there and it's all dry. Alright, so here we are on the job site. Those are the pieces we made back in the garage. And that's where we're gonna put them. Along this wall here. First I gotta add some stain. Or some Poly-Shade. See all that trim there. And I could add the hardware. Finish it up. Show you what that looks like after I install all that. Okay, so now here we are on the job site. Cabinet face is installed. That's the final product. I think everything turned out really nice. My client's very happy with them. If you guys like this project, please smash that like button. Be sure to subscribe. I'm gonna show you more things like this in the future. Contractor G. Peace.